Hello students, we will start today from equation of isothermal process. Let us consider one mole of an ideal gas having pressure P, volume V and temperature T. Then the ideal gas equation will be PV is equal to RT. As the process is isothermal, so temperature will be constant or R is gas constant, so PV is equal to will be constant. If during isothermal process pressure is changed from P1 to P2 in such way that volume is changed from V1 to V2, then equation will be P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. This is ideal gas equation. Now we will calculate work done during isothermal process. Work done in isothermal. Let us consider 1 mole of ideal gas in a cylinder having tight and frictionless piston. Let the 1 mole of ideal gas in a cylinder. With the help of piston, we compressed the gas by dx such that volume is changed by dV. Then work done will be P into dV. As the process is isothermal, so temperature will remain constant. We have ideal gas equation PV is equal to RT. From here we will calculate the value of P in terms of temperature and volume and put this value here. Then work done will be small R T by V into dV. This is a small work done when we compress the gas by distance dx such that there is change in volume by dV. If we change the volume by dV, then how much work done is del W. If volume changes from V1 to V2, then how much work done will be? We will integrate to calculate total work done when volume is changed from V1 to V2. We will integrate. V2 RT by V into dV. So work done will be RT log E V2 by V1. This is the work done during isothermal process. Now we will calculate the equation of adiabatic process. We will calculate the equation of adiabatic process. Let us consider 1 mole of an ideal gas in isolated container. During adiabatic process, no heat is given to the system, no is extracted. Let the gas ideal gas is having pressure P, volume V, temperature T respectively. Let specific heat of the gas at constant pressure is Cp and at constant volume is Cv. The ratio of specific heat at constant pressure and constant volume is represented by ratio of specific heat at constant pressure and constant volume is gamma. Let the gas is compressed so that volume is decreased by dV. A temperature is increased by dt. According to the first law of thermodynamics, equation is del Q is equal to du plus del W. As the process is adiabatic, so del Q will be 0. Hence equation will be du plus del W is equal to 0. As we previously calculated, du will be Cv into dt and del W is P into dV. So this is equation 1. Putting value of du and del W in equation 1, we will get Cv into dt plus P dV is equal to 0. As for 1 mole of gas, PV is equal to RT. We will differentiate this equation. P dV plus V dP is equal to R dt. We calculate value of dt. P into dV plus V dP V dP by R. Put this value in equation Cv dt plus P dV is equal to 0. Put the value of this dt here. We will get Cv P dV plus V dP by R plus P dV is equal to 0. We know Cp minus Cv is equal to R as we calculated in the previous lecture. Put after solving both these equations, we will get P dV Cp plus Cv into V dP is equal to 0. We will divide throughout by CV P into V. We will get CV by CV, CP by CV into dV by V plus dP by P is equal to 0. Cp by Cv is gamma, ratio of two specific heat, dV by V into में plus dP by P is equal to 0. We will integrate or we get gamma into log E log V plus log P is equal to constant. Is equal to constant. After solving, we will get after mathematical solution, log PV की power gamma is equal to constant. PV की power gamma is equal to constant. If you will take antilog both side, constant का antilog will be another constant. This is an adiabatic equation in terms of P and V. In the same way, we calculate the adiabatic equation in V and T. As we know, PV is equal to RT. Well, put the value of P RT by V in this equation. We get RT by V into V की power gamma constant is equal to constant. So T, after solving this, V की power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. This is adiabatic equation in terms of T and V parameters. Similarly, we can calculate in terms of P and T parameters. Now we will calculate work done during adiabatic process. Work done during adiabatic process. Let us consider 1 mole of ideal gas in a cylinder having perfectly insulating walls and piston. Here ideal gas at pressure P, volume V and temperature T. Let the piston is compressed by a distance d so that dV volume is changed. So work done will be del W is equal to P into dV. If volume is changed by dV, then small work done will be del W is equal to P into dV. If volume is changed from V1 to V2, then work done will be, we will integrate this from V1 to V2. V1 to V2. As we previously calculated, adiabatic equation is P V की पावर गामा is equal to constant P is equal to C by V की पावर गामा. Put this value here. Here will be put this value. Then W is equal to V1 to V2 C by V की पावर गामा into में dV. We will integrate. After solving this, we get W is equal to, this is simple mathematical step, so you will do. If you are getting any problem, you can ask in class also. We will get 1 by minus 1 by gamma into में K V2 1 minus gamma माइनस में K V1 और V1 की पावर है 1 माइनस गामा. और फ्रॉम द एडियाबैटिक इक्वेशन वी हैव P1 V1 की पावर गामा P2 V2 की पावर गामा. We will put this value here and here. After solving, we will get P2 V2 minus P1 V1 by 1 minus gamma. V is equal to RT 2 minus R minus R T1 by 1 minus gamma. We know from the ideal gas equation P1 V1 is equal to RT1. Similarly, we put this value here. Similarly, P2 V2 is equal to RT2 or put this value here. Or after solving, we will get this. This is the total work done during an adiabatic process. Next, we will do comparison of the slope of an isothermal and adiabatic process. We will do this in the next lecture.